My name is Sujal and we are Avataryug. After watching this video, you will know how to sign up, create a project, and have basic knowledge about our engine to get started. Without wasting any more of time, let's get into it. So first things first, open any browser that you use. I'll be using Chrome for this. Type in avataryug.com and then enter. Yeah. So I'm going to link it down in the description below. Avataryug has a lot of features and solutions that will fit your needs. Moving on, you will have to sign up as an administrator first. Go to the home page. Yeah, this is the home page, and click on this start for free button. Now this button will take us to Avataryug's portal. So put in your details as mentioned and add your personal or work email address. I'm going to use I will use test for the first name, control in the last name, yeah, and I'll use a temporary email address over here, this one. So you can use your personal as well as your work address. I'll just create a password. I'll add my phone number. Now let's hit the sign up button. So yeah, I have received an OTP on the temporary mail. I'll just yeah. Continue. So you are all set and ready to go. So here you have to put whether this type of the account it's organization level or individual level. I'll put organization in this case and I'll enter Avataryug over here as I'm from Avataryug. And size I'll put 51 to 200 as of now. Now you are ready to go. So this is the main dashboard where you can actually add, delete and modify your projects. You can see the account details and manage users option as well. If you feel confused, you can use this get started button for a quick guide also. So it all starts with creating a project. Click on create project in the middle, yeah, and start by filling the details. I'll just put a random name and URL is not required, but it's optional, you can go for that. So I'll put name as demo1 and yeah, you can change the category of whatever you want. I'll put games in this case. Also we have a lot of genres available over there, so I'll use adventure one. Yeah, so the project logo is mandatory, so we have to choose something. So I have selected a blank image for logo as of now, but you can select any. The next is target marketplace. So basically this is an option, like it indicates where your project want to launch or which platform you would like to select. So I'll select Android and web as of now. The next. So these are the database storages where all user information will be stored. By default, Frankfurt will be selected as it's right in the middle. You can turn geo replications off if you want to. It basically will replicate the data into other servers as well, providing low latency. So you can customize it accordingly according to your preferences. Next, content storage. So this is where all the assets and user created content will be. There are two storage options: the premium storage with 16 servers all over the world. Frankfurt will be the only main storage here and you can't change it. It was very low latency as well. The standard storage, which has 9 locations with high variable latency. You can check the pricing on the website and you can select where you want your main server to be. In this option though, I'll select standard storage only, and yeah, next. So now you have to choose the CDN, the content delivery. As mentioned, there are 10 locations in standard, but 114 locations in premium. So I need to upgrade my account to premium. So you can just upgrade it later too. Let's go with standard as of now. And we are done. Choose the required SDK for a platform that you will be using. I'll be using Unity, as I'm going to do a tutorial for Unity as well in the another video. Use the guide to integrate it into your preferred platform, which I'll be explaining later. So the done. So your first project is now added. So you can also add various users from your workplace over manage users option. So you can add your users into that. You just have to fill all the details. I'll use user1 in first name and control in the last name. Control. I'll use a random email ID as abc.avataryug.com. And you can choose that their profile, which will give them limited options, like limited access settings to certain things. So I'll use contributor as of now, and you can also select whether they want to see the finance and all. So I'll select view if projects permitted and create. Okay, so I'll enter a valid email address in this case. Sorry. Okay, create. So the user is added successfully.